Worried about keeping your phone number secure on Aisensy? Let's get that sorted in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard using your computer or phone, and look for your profile or settings icon. It's usually in the top right corner or within the navigation menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled phone number or something similar like contact information. This is where your linked phone number is displayed. Now, carefully look for an option to unlink, remove, or change your phone number. It's usually a button or a link placed right next to your current phone number. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove your phone number. Read the message carefully, as it might warn you about potential limitations after removal. If you're absolutely sure, click confirm or remove to proceed. You might be asked to enter your account password for security reasons, so be ready with that. And that's it. Your phone number is now unlinked from your Aisensy account. You should see confirmation on the screen, usually with an empty phone number field or a message indicating that no phone number is currently linked.